Hello, and thank you for using Bramework. My name is Candace, and today I will guide you through First Draft Pro, showing you how simple it is to create a high quality blog post in no time. First, let's go over to our dashboard. Upon logging in, locate and select Writing Assistant by clicking on it. You will be directed to any long form post that you have already created. Now, let's look for the green button labeled as First Draft Pro. This is where you'll start. But before you can begin using First Draft Pro, you need to purchase credits, and you can do so by going to your username in the right top hand corner. A drop down will appear, and you can select My Account. Within My Account, you'll be able to purchase credits. For example, if you're a lifetime deal customer, you will need to purchase credits to use First Draft Pro. However, if you have a subscription, credits are included in your plan each month, and you have the option of purchasing additional credits. So you can select the Add-ons tab. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select the desired number of credits. Choose the amount of credits you wish to purchase and click the green Purchase button. After completing the payment form, wait briefly and then refresh the page and you will see your first draft credit balance. Now that you've purchased your credits, you will need to make sure you have a company website URL as a default for your projects. Go to your profile, scroll down to company information and enter the website URL. This ensures that when the AI assistant is generating internal and external links, it can do so accurately, needing a reference point to assign links as other external and internal for your first drafts. And don't forget to save it. And if you're creating posts for multiple websites, it's advised to create projects and enter your company website for each individual project. You can do that by going to the top left-hand panel, clicking here and selecting Manage Projects. And on the far top right-hand side of your screen, you'll see a button to create a new project, as the AI will look here first. However, if a project is uncategorized or does not have this URL assignment, it will default to the one that you put in your profile. Now, we're ready to begin creating our first post using First Draft Pro. Locate the Writing Assistant tab on the left side of your screen and return to the First Draft Pro button. This will help you to begin generating your blog post. Within the First Draft Pro dashboard, you will find step-by-step instructions on how to generate your first draft. Start by entering your keyword topic, specifying your target audience, and selecting the tone of your blog post. You can choose from tones such as formal, inspirational, sarcastic, or witty. You will also need to include a title, which the assistant generates for you. As a tip, when you enter your primary topic, you can modify your keyword to let the AI assistant know which types of titles and posts you would like to generate. For example, you can see that my title has the word best in it. Therefore, my post title should reflect that I want a listicle type post. However, if I want to compare two items or products, I could use a keyword that includes versus. But we're going to go back to our original. So I've entered Best Insurance Affiliate Programs. My target audience is passionate bloggers like you who are wanting to blog full time. So I'll be sure to enter that here because if I don't add anything, it will be written for a general audience. And for my tone, I will select conversational. And of course, I need a title, which the AI assistant can generate for us by clicking this button. For the outline, you can ask the AI assistant to generate one based on the title, as well as the extensive research done by the AI assistant by analyzing the top ranked search engine results pages. So let's click the Generate button to begin the process. Nova, our AI assistant, will then conduct in-depth research to create an outline, which it says will take about 5 minutes. Once the outline is completed, carefully review it and select the most relevant H2s and H3s for your audience. And you can reduce the word count by deleting unnecessary headlines. So, for example, right now it says the AI will generate around 1,166 words. If I cut out these two H2s, our word count drops down to 912. So, depending on how many H2s and H3s you have, it will determine word count of your post. Next, you can include information that the AI should add to your content on top of what it researches to give more personalized insights to your article, such as internal links, external links, statistics, or anything else that is relevant for the content in your blog post. Now, these pieces of information that you add here will need to be collected as research beforehand. So I will copy and paste some information here. Please note that you can have up to 4,000 characters in your instructions. You can also have the AI assistant include other details into your blog post by selecting if you would like 3 alternative title suggestions, 3 meta description suggestions, image alt text suggestions, bold important text, outbound links, FAQs, site sources, a table of contents, and key takeaways. Now it's time to create our first draft by clicking the large purple button on the right. A green alert will notify that your blog post generation has started, and you will be notified by email when your first draft is ready. Nova here on the left side provides details about the process and reminds you that AI writers are just tools to help you get closer to the publish ready blog post. But as always, it's recommended to add your own voice, opinions, and experiences to ensure your content is valuable to your readers and performs better on Google. After your projected time, which you'll see here, you can go back to the dashboard to check the progress of your first draft. As we can see, it is generating. And it's okay to refresh your page. You'll also receive an email notification when it's ready. In the email, you will see the title of your first draft and options to go back to the dashboard, view your post, or to make edits directly, which will open the first draft in the blog builder. Here in the blog builder, you can use the AI assistant icon and go to the SEO tab to better optimize your blog post. As you can see, we have an analyzer, which gives us details about how we are optimizing our keyword in various places, such as the keyword in the title, introduction, in the headings, which I could do more work on, keyword density, and then even as much as whether the title is too long or too short. You can keep scrolling to see opportunities to insert a featured image here, to add FAQs into your blog posts. I can simply click on the Insert into Editor, which is denoted by the plus icon. And if you keep scrolling under the SEO tab, you'll see sources for some of the information inserted into your blog posts, as well as title suggestions, meta description suggestions, and even alt text suggestions for your images. Once you have completed all of your edits, you can save your blog post as completed, as a draft, or as published, depending on your workflow. And when you're ready, you can export your blog by selecting download and choosing your desired format. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to use First Draft Pro. We would love to hear your feedback to make your blogging journey even better. So we hope to hear from you soon. Happy blogging.